one of our resource persons, the other resource person, to kindly come to the stage. Learned Advocate General for the State of Nagaland to kindly come to the stage and receive a humble token of love and appreciation.
While he is typing in the keyboard as well, if we can do that, thank you.
Is the father of the Nagas in particular and the Northeasterns in general to kindly come to the stage and receive a small token of love and appreciation. Shrini Purio. I call upon the Deputy Residential Commissioner, Sir Wemni Konyak, to kindly come and receive our gift on behalf of the Chief Minister. I call upon Brother Mavio, the advisor of the Naga Students Union Delhi, to also kindly come to the stage. My most sincere apologies. Mr. Armstrong from my IES, Deputy Commissioner Government of India. A big round of applause to sir. Now I call upon Pastor Ziliangrong Christian Fellowship Delhi. If he's here, I request the pastor of the Ziliangrong Christian Fellowship Delhi to kindly come to the stage and receive our token. Our resource person, Sir Niketu Iralu, to the stage to kindly come and receive our humble gift. I call upon Reverend Dr. Ricky Madon to kindly come to the stage and receive our humble token, our humble gift. Presidential Commissioner. Okay. I call upon the Deputy Residential Commissioner, Sir Emily Konyak. Yeah.
That we get a collaboration this year during this 57 Nagas meet with Liamtra, and Liamtra is the honor, or yes, I would say, I don't know how do I say, they are the host, and they are providing they are helping us to activate or launch the Naga Students Union website, which will be launched this evening. And I would request our Honorable President Naga Student Federation to be on the backstage. I'm sorry, because the laptop cannot be brought here on the stage. So I would request the cameraman to pan when he is typing the website. And once he entered, I would want to be penned here, and everybody could see the new website which will be launching for Naga Students Union Delhi.
www. www.nsud.in. This has been launched right now for everyone.
Can we give a big round of applause as this website is launched today, officially?
Official has been launched. NSUD means Naga Student Union Delhi.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. This is going to be the website for Naga Students Union Delhi. We have so many things to be done. It is launched today. There are so many columns, homepage, where we can go and check everything about Naga Students Union Delhi. Now, because of the paucity of time, I wouldn't have that leisure time to explain how it's going to work. But just to let some of us know about the website. Can I have that on screen? Okay, it is going to be nsud.in. Any one of us seated here tonight, you please type, check. You must be having your internet in your mobile phone. Just type www.nsud.in, and then you will see the different column, like said. Now, I just wanted to go to homepage. Could you please? The homepage, you'll find everything here, the detail. I would like the IT team to please click on the drop down where we have the registration form. Yes, membership fee. Membership. Please do register your name in this panel.
Wow.
This is it. I would like to say only this. We have so many things to explain you more about the website, but everyone is tech savvy. You can just type in and then check. Please check for yourself. This is the few little thing that I would like to talk about this. I just wanted to ensure that every one of us who are seated here, living in Delhi and NCR, please take the opportunity and privilege to register for yourself as a member of Naga Students Union Delhi. Thank you. Thank you.
This is the president of NAGA Student Union, Isaac.
Let's give
Has
a
been already
huge
announced.
round of applause.
The website has been launched right now.
Another one.
So all the Nagas come and see in my YouTube channel,
Alright, so
NAGA AMOS,
President may not explain
and
everything,
get it
how they explore, but we
register
all
in the
have our
website.
smartphone and computer to explore, and that's
medical treatment. They are very really the needy people used to come here, and they come here means finding no alternative, no way out in our state, in our northeast. There is no good facilities. They are being referred to Guwahati, and Guwahati also they can't get proper treatment. That's why they come here. I've been telling the hospital people also, giving 10%, 20% concession is a very big help for us, because our people come come for treatment by selling their properties. So they spend lots of money. So the little help, whatever we could do, we are doing, and we are requesting them also to help. That's how we are helping our Northeast people in Delhi, being in Delhi police. So I being in Agmut Kedar, so I got the opportunity to be posted to Delhi police, and it's my pleasure serving our Northeast people. And sometimes I wonder why our entire Northeast people cannot be a tourist hotspot like European country. So for that we need a peaceful atmosphere. Unless there is a peaceful atmosphere, tourists will not go. Like JNK, such a tourist flow was there because of disturbance. People are scared of going there. And the government of India has introduced special travel concession also for visiting Northeast. But people always talk negative about our Northeast people. And we have to create atmosphere. If we don't create, nobody will come and create. So whatever resource person I was listening, so we need to introspect, we need to think ourselves so that we create the atmosphere in entire Northeast, so that it becomes the tourist hub, so that our economic grow. We don't have to come to other place for in search of employment and all that. Whatever we have resources, but that we need to improve it. We need to improve the connectivity. We need to improve the situation. So we can do it. The future generation can do that. So I was wondering, such a beautiful landscape we have in Arunachal. If you visit my Zero, I belong to Zero. I don't feel bored seeing my beautiful things, the panoramic scenario of Zero. So, but connectivity is not there, so people don't go there. And there are many other things that we need to improve. So that's what I was wondering, and I'm thinking, always thinking, why our people should go to Switzerland? They can come to Northeast. So the European country, it is a clean atmosphere. That's why they have to go there. If we have that atmosphere, the people will go there, and we will be prospering. So while saying so, I always once again admire the Northeast people, that you please carry on your such program, so to showcase your identity, showcase culture, tradition, whatever you do, we are here to support you. And all the best, NSUD, for your future endeavor, and let this program be grand successful. With this, thank you so much.